Next, we'll see what are the goods and services notified under section 9(4). So like I told you before, section 9(4) is applicable when you're receiving certain goods or services from an unregistered person, right? But they have changed the section to tell that it is applicable only in case of certain goods and services. Only some goods and services which are notified is only applicable under 9(4). So what are those goods and services? Those are goods and services applicable in case of all these three cases, like while construction of a building. So here, so for example, now a person wants to go for the reduced rate. So I'm a promoter, I'm a construction company. I want to go for a reduced rate, and there they have mentioned they have specified a condition for going for the lesser rate, telling that 80% of the goods or services you should have procured from registered person, right? So if I'm not able to fulfill that 80%, right, so the remaining things I have to pay under RCM. So that is what this notification is about. So any shortfall from the minimum value of goods or services required to be purchased by a promoter for construction in a financial year. So in whatever shortfall is there due to that 80% criteria, whatever goods he is purchasing, he has to pay under RCM. So the supplier would be any person. If it's unregistered also, he has to pay tax under RCM. So similarly for cement and capital goods also, which is used for construction of a project. So only these three things are mentioned in section 9(4). So any other goods or services that you are receiving from unregistered person will not be applicable to RCM. So please note, stationery purchase from unregistered persons and all will not be applicable to RCM anymore. It is only these three kind of services. Only if you're a promoter or a construction company, these three things will be applicable.
Optotex, India's #1 GST platform, all because of your love and support, and it is exclusively free for tax professionals. So please, I would request everybody to use Optotex in their offices to reconcile ITC, to download all the beautiful reports we have, and it is trusted by 50,000 plus tax professionals now, who are serving their 1 million plus clients, right? So please make sure that all of you use Optotex in your offices. It will help you a lot. And what are the benefits? How does Optotex help tax professional making GST compliance simple? Sir, automatic reconciliation of ITC, auto fetching of data from 1st July 2017. So if you start using Optotex from today, then also you will be getting the data from 1st July 2017. This is the beauty of Optotex. Third, if you are using any other software, no problem, sir. You can simultaneously also use Optotex. In just 2 minutes, Optotex fetches all data from the government portal. We have got all the due respective approvals from the government, and all the data is fetched in your system for all your clients. You have 500 clients, 200 clients, single dashboard you will be able to see, right? This is the beauty. I think many of my tax professionals, the tax professionals present in the webinar using Optotex, everybody is saying it is very nice. Thank you so much for your love and support, sir. The full facility, opt-in, opt-out facility, IFF, everything is there in Optotex now. What are the differentiators? Live dashboard, multiple users, no installation required, automatic purchase reconciliation with 2A. What's more, you can view cash and credit ledger, download month-wise 2B, GST challan creation, download. Yes, the best part, I'm making an announcement here. We are making the challan payment also automatic now. It will be integrated to your net banking, whatever net banking you are using, and challan payment also you can do now from Optotex. Very soon we are bringing this feature. It took a lot of time for us to take all the approvals from the banks, but yes, we are bringing that features. Skipping this all the basic slides, because already many people are using, but still if you're not using, please do sign up. And support, we focus a lot on support. This is the phone number. If you want to note down, just call this number and he will guide you how to use Optotex. And sign up you can do yourself. It's just a 1-minute task, but please note down this number. You can call on this number. info@optotex.com is our email ID. YouTube pe we have demo videos. You can see the demo videos and then you can use Optotex. But I would suggest everybody to please start using Optotex. This is the software link, https://gst.optotex.com. Google Chrome browser. It works in desktop or laptop, right? So amazing facility we have given to you. So even from the technical aspect, we are trying to help you. So please utilize this benefit. Ashish ji, sir, rest all the software companies will run from the market as your OptoText. Ashish ji, our motive is not to make anybody run. Our motive is to serve the text professional community, to help the text professional community, make a GST platform, bring all of them together, scratch their brains, learn whatever the provisions are coming up, and work also. Let's make simple.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss important GST updates.